it's been a while. This is me, Credible Cam 569, and today, lalaro tayo ng, obviously, Minecraft. Although, in Cyberlinks SMP. Ang gagawin ko ngayon is, this video will be a series of what is happening on the server na. Kasi, like, most of us in the server kasi na di na kami maka-log in sa server kasi of course this is YouTube base. As you see, this is me. Oh my god. This is me. Hi. I'm Ryan. Just kidding. Okay, so as you see, this server is YouTube based. So, di kami makakalaro kapag di kami nakapag-post, of course, kasi most of us will get confused na bakit ang daming improvement, di naman namin nakita yan sa like last post or something. That's why di kami makakalagin dito minsan kasi you see most of us have schools, tapos different schools. We are in different schools and yung schedule namin is iba-iba and minsan na lang kami makakalaro kasi like yung free time namin hindi nag-a-align. As I said, different schools kami. So, our schools is much earlier kami mag-sem break. Tapos, yung kina-copy nung iba is medyo late sila. So, kami sem break na namin. Tapos sila hindi pa. Tapos mag-e-exam pa lang sila. Tapos matatapos na yung sem break namin. The new semester naman. Tapos sila magsi-sem break pa lang. So, wala talagang time. So, I am making this video. I am I am making this video as an update of what is going on in the server, kung anong mga updates and stuff. And yeah, I will make a story along the way. Not really make a story, but rather tell a story if kung anong nangyari and paano namin ginawa to. Okay, so let's start. Of course, in this server, we have, I think, 5 lang kami dito. Ako, si Sherbels, si Capybara, si Murasaki, and our new member, Racy Entela. Racy Entela kasi di pa siya, I think di siya nakapag, like, screen time dito. Wala siyang screen time sa pero nandito siya minsan pag offline, I think. So, for example, wala ako, tapos nandito si Kape, gagawa si Kape ng something. Tapos, pag wala si Kape na nandito ako, masyashock ako kasi meron nang nagawa. Yung parang ganun. Di ko ma-explain ng maayos, okay? So, I'm here to show you guys what's been in the server. Let's start with the community house. Of course. Nasa uploads nandun ni Sherry. As you see, we have the yung 3 doors na nasa earlier pa na community house. Yung dirt shack pa yung community house. Nung dirt shack pa. Tapos wag kayong ma-shock if ang daming chest dito. Kasi as you see after na na create yung ganito na update yung dirt shack, someone griefed the base. Nilagyan nila ng maraming chest. Tapos di mo na tapos yung ibang chest makukuha mo pa kasi walang laman. Pero yung iba meron ng laman tapos tinatamad kaming mag-move ng laman ng chest. Kaya nandito, as you see, we have a floating chest in the middle of the room. Papunta tayo sa second floor. Bed ko to eh. Kaso Kaso, minsan lang ako natutulog dito. Okay. So, this is the second floor. And, yeah. Dito kami nagtago ni Sherry nung, nag-1 shot, 1 kill si Kape. Tawa ako dun kasi, I think Kape's bow right now is missing. Yun yung sabi nila Kape's bow right now is missing. Which is, might be another lore, but, well, look into that. Pag pupunta ka dito, meron kaming maliit na, maliit na 1 block way dito, papunta sa enchantment room and repair room. Dito, of course, as the name enchantment, nag-i-enchant ka ng things such as bows and items or armors na gagamitin mo. And mostly sa mga chest namin is mga mga di na magagamit yung nasa laman. And this is the smelting area. The smelting area. Wow. Okay. Pag pupunta ka dito sa ilalim, I think kay Sherry to, I think. Kay Sherry to yata. Kasi, like, something na naglag siya, tapos nahulog siya dito. Or, basta parang ganun yung nangyari. Nahulog siya dito. Then, naglag siya. Kinuha ni Kape o ako. Basta, parang ganun. Yung gamit niya, tapos nilagay dito. Tapos, di niya na nakuha. Di niya na yata naalala. Excuse me. Tapos di ko na alam kung anong nangyari dito. Well, I'll say, kay Kaping idea to na lagyan ng floor tapos walls. Di ko alam kasi kung anong gagawin dito, pero lang ako. Like gumagawa lang ako pero di ko alam kung anong ginagawa. So, ako yung nag-flooring, tapos si Kapi yung sa walls, tapos ako yung naglagay dyan. Hindi ko alam if anong purpose nito, pero ganyan siya. I'll show you kung ano siya pag nasa taas ka. It's kind of like the Cyberlink's name. Like, it's like a cyberpunk style. Tapos yung Link, I think it's like some sort of mythical or existing creature. Parang ganun. So, maraming updates dito sa server. Pati mods, actually. Meron kami ditong bagong mods which is called RPG skills. Some of you might know this sort of, pero this RPG skills, I think meron ako ditong, eto. This is a brief introduction ng RPG skills lang. Hindi ko kasi nakasanayang mag-talk ng So, in RPG skills, we have this is an add-on that adds 9 skills and 27 unique abilities to the game that can be leveled by the player and enhance everyone's game experience. And in the classes, I think Warden yung pinili ko kasi pwede siyang magtanim and pwedeng mag-mine. Kaso di siya pwedeng mag-cast magic, I think. Di ko alam kung pwede kang mag-cast ng magic, pero naging warden ako eh. And I really like sa skills. I'm gonna show you the few skills I learned. Not really learned, pero I discovered lang. So, the first that I'll show you is mining. So, meron siyang perk na ganito. You see? So, pag mine mo nung isang ore, mamamine sila lahat. Pero yung maganda kasi, it's not working in blocks. Like, for example, I'll mine this. Walang nangyayari. Kasi meron kasi akong nakita sa TikTok na naglag yung PC niya kasi Kasi na-accidentally mine niya yung itong hole na stones. Tapos nag-lag yung PC niya. Parang ganon. So, as you see, naka-flooring, naka-wall, pero di pa natapos. That is Cappy's base. And itong elevator, papunta sa aking humble abode. It's my farm. Di pa ako nakapagtanim kasi tinatamad ako. Tinatamad ba 'yan? Tinatamad. Okay. Di pa ako nakapagtanim kasi tinatamad ako. So, I'll show you a brief tutorial kung paano nangyayari yung kababalaghan dito. So, you say, tapos clear na yung video. Tapos, malalang lang ako, malalang lang pero para sa nila. Pero, pag binong mo ako, naglasay kasi, tapos yung sa live so, yung mo ako is, tapos yung sa mother, tapos ano ang siya, tapos sa cover, so test, tapos yung dito, and wala sa mga viewer, tapos etong what can you call that elevator, like water elevator, it's not working as intended kasi pag nandun ako sa ilalim, diretso ako sa taas. Di na like yung parang literal na elevator na na pupunta ka sa iba't ibang layers ng house. This is the pumpkin farm and this is the melon farm. So, paano to gagana? Well, you see, pag dumapos, malaman ko tapos yung isang, tapos yung okay, I'll take one, okay. Wait. Okay. Kaso, yung problema ko dito is, yung lumilipad na ganyan. Kasi di sila pumupunta sa water. Tapos dyan lang sila palagi. Parang yung sa arcade, yung huhulog ka ng coin tapos aantayin mo silang mahulog lahat. Di ba meron nun? Di ko alam kung anong tawag doon pero this is my unfinished farm. Tapos ito yung kay Kapeng. Bahay ni Kape. It's like kapag nandun ka sa ilalim, parang UFO siya eh. And this is his humble abode. This is the really gorgeous house. Ito yung pinaka-modernized na house dito sa server yata. Then, nasa taas yung shrine. di mo naman matatawag na shrine eh, pero nandito yung I just randomly thought of this. I built this kasi idol ni Sherry si si Herobrine. Sabi ko papaspawn ko si Herobrine sa server. Of course, jokingly. Tapos linagay ko dito, tapos tawang-tawa siya. Tapos siya dito, ikot siya dito sa na parang nagre-ritual siya. And as you see, we have updated the server into AOT. Just kidding. The server is like parang naka Attack on Titan theme siya. I'm not saying na like there's titans and stuff like yung mga bagong mods. Pero siya, I really like this kasi I've changed change ko yung bilog, change ko yung mga puno, tapos linagay ko etong parang taiga na variant ng trees. And it ended up looking like Attack on Titan. I was hoping it to look like kita mo yung like mga Christmas na movies na meron silang malalaking Christmas trees, tapos meron silang redwood na parang ganun sana yung ko goal. Kaso naging siya, for me parang naging Attack on Titan siya eh. Which is tawa ako ng tawan nito. Then meron isang skills na I want to show you guys kung paano ko na-achieve yung like etong lahat na to paano ko sila na-plant at paano ko sila na ano. Kasi of course, it will take you too much time kapag normal lang na ano. Normal lang na approach yung gagawin mo. Like, magmamine ka ng wood tapos ano. Let me show you the second approach nung ano. Another skill nung RPG skills, which is the lumberjack. Kapag ano ka nito, yan. Makukuha lahat. Tapos I think sa server na to yung ano, mabilis na pagkuha ng dahon. Excuse me. Sa server na to yata yung mabilis yung pag ano mo ng dahon. So ganon. Sa ganon yun. Okay. So finish na natin yung farm ko, tapos yung kay Kape, pati yung community house, pati yung nasa ilalim. So, I'll show you, this is the cow farm. Tapos I think merong isang fox dyan, hindi ko alam. Tapos, ito yung statue ni Techno. I built this nung ano, nung, I think it's the, ano, I forgot, basta I built that out of, ano, out of grief yata. And this is my bird, Mercy. And away. Nakita ko sila sa, ano sa isang jungle. Di ko alam kung nasa na yung jungle na yun, pero nagta-travel ako, tapos nakita ko sila, kinuha ko. This is the automatic sugarcane farm. This is the sheep farm, which has my 2 llamas, Franzi and Blueno. Tapos nandito yung pig na di nila dapat kakainin. Di ko kasi, ano, ayaw ko sila kasing patayin. So, pinapadami ko lang sila, di ko sila pinapatay. Now, this is the egg farm, or rather, chicken farm. And this is the resurrected Quaco. Quaco ba yun? Quaco? I think. This is Sherry's fox back in Fluxus. Well, not like the exact one na siya talaga yung fox ni Sherry sa Fluxus. Pero, Kape found her and took her here. Tapos, ako yung naglagay nung neto. Wait. I think di pa siya kumakain. I don't know if kumakain siya ng egg, pero let's try. Okay, kunin mo. Kun. Ayaw niya yata ng egg eh. Baka gusto niya nito. Fried chicken ba? Kumakain ka ng fried chicken? Kumakain ka nito? Wait. Gusto mo fried chicken? Gusto ko rin fried chicken eh. Hati tayo. Yung egg nasa mouth niya na oh. Oh my god. Cute. Ayan. Kainin mo. Go. Kainin mo na. Ito yung first na farm ko. Way before that, of course. Ito yung first ko na farm. Which is, I don't know kung paano ko to na-achieve, pero ganito siya. Meron akong wheat, potatoes, melons, and potatoes again. I really like cooked potatoes. So, tapos na tayo dito. Mostly lahat. Well, almost, I think, like, let's say 80%. We've finished 80% ng tour. Okay? So, at I will, I forgot. You just saw that a little bit, The RPG skills introduce us to dash. If i-double tap mo yung jump icon, you can achieve double dash, no? Just dash.